Well?
Well, what?
Don't play dumb with me, kid. I was playing dumb when your mother was still turning tricks.
What's your problem?
I know what you've been saying about me. You think I'm an idiot? Huh? Is that what you think?
Boss, I ain't been saying nothing about you.
What the fuck? I don't know what's happening to me. Jesus, I'm getting paranoid, Tony. Really fucking paranoid. Just because I think everyone hates me doesn't mean they don't. Know what I mean? Someone is out to get me. It's that fucking mayor. He's gonna blame me for all this shit that's been going down in the neighborhood. All of it. Not just the crap that I did, but all of it. Come on, let's go take care of this. Tony, we're gonna need a car. Head towards the ferry terminal.
But the strike's still on. There won't be any ferries.
Just drive. I'll do the thinking.
106, home of the hits, and me, the hit maker, Cliff Lane. We'll be right back. Don't go away. Just wait there, lonely and unsure, on the cusp of experience.
Joshua, what are you doing in here? It's not a nuclear bomb. Where did you learn how to make this?
I found out how on the internet. I'm finally gonna show that bitch teacher, Mrs. Henderson, a thing or two about physics.
The internet may appear like it's full of information, but most of it's the wrong kind of information. Like how to pick locks, steal calls from payphones, and suffocate...
Jesus Christ, the cops are crawling all over this place. Get us the fuck out of here.
Where are we going?
Callahan Bridge.
Callahan Bridge ain't finished yet.
We're both gonna be finished if you don't drive. Now move it.
One record at a time. Pop music just got worse. Lips 106.
Now, Jack Stars with their latest Into Something.
106.
ಹಾಡೋ ಬೈಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ಭಯವು ಓಡಿದೆ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೂರು ಆಸೆ ಮೂಡಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಈ ನಾಡಿನ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಎಂದು ನೋಡಿ
We're gonna need everything this piece of shit's got. Punch it, Tony. Oh shit! Tony, you did it. I knew I could trust you. Boy, I could kiss you if you shaved. Now listen, I know a safe place where we can both lie low for a while. Come on, let's go.
The industrial action that had cut off Portland from the rest of the city has finally come to an end. Or has it? Although all the subway and ferry routes are now officially open, militant workers are continuing with their blockade in parts of the city. The elevator bridge connecting Staunton Island and Shoreside Vale has been shut down. The strikers refuse to believe assurances made by city officials over the future of the ferries.
Yeah, this is the place. I'm gonna take a look around, see what's what. I might see you here later.
Yep.
Tony, it's Sal. I need to talk, but I don't trust these cell phones for shit. I'll call you on the public phone outside the courthouse.
What seems to be the problem here? Come on, boo, don't grab. Come on, boo, don't grab.
Oh, dear God, no!
Man, I'm jonesing for a rock over here.
Take it. Take the car.
Where's the trail she's got going on? I'd follow that baby all the way downtown if you know what I'm talking about.
Oh my God. That's my daughter, Karen!
Yeah! The internet
Yeah, it's Tony.
That bastard mayor is fucking with me. I don't take that shit.
Relax, I'll take him out of the equation.
You're a good boy, Tony. That fat fuck should be taking his daily run in the park. Make sure he's out of breath. Permanently. Oh yeah, get his phone. We can see who he's been talking to.
No finance, no romance.
Hey, get off! Get
Sorry,
off!
but I need this.
River dolphins at a 5-star nature preserve, and oh my God, that's Crow! Wow! Imagine meeting you and your PR guy here in the jungle in Peru. Oh, and also a photographer.
All right, who are you?
Oh, I'm Melissa Chowder. I'm here for the interview and photo opportunity your people set up.
Listen, I come here to get me quick, get away. Hey, where's my assistant? You got 5 minutes,
Okay, all right. Well, you look really at home here in the Peruvian rainforest.
Sometimes it feels like this is where I belong. I'm here to make an album to stop the catastrophic tragedy of genital mutilation.
Yes.
I would never let anyone mutilate my genitals. I'd let them have a go at it, but not the real deal.
Well, that is great. But what I really wanted to talk to you about is your evacuation program.
Eat hot legs!
It's vital to my work. Listen. Do you hear that? It's the sound. I've tapped into that energy in my new record. It's very important.
You know what? I want to talk to you for a minute about something that is really beautiful, natural birth.
Oh, it's terrible. Stretches everything out.
Tony, a few of the guys will be calling you later. Make sure you're around when they arrive. Ciao, Salvatore.
Hey, Tony, get in. Come on, we're going for a ride. Come on, get in, you're driving.
Mickey, what's up?
Come on, Cipriani, what do you think, I'm here to whack you?
Tonight, Liberty City mourns the passing of its premier son, Mayor R.C. Hole, assassinated while jogging in Belleville Park. LCN would like to take this opportunity to extend its most humble and sincere condolences to his family and loved ones. And later on LCN, don't miss our student fashion spot. It's too cool for school.
Salvatore's just down there. Malone and me, what are you waiting for?
Tony, my boy, today's the day you're being made.
Oh, Salvatore, I'm Mr. Leone. Our mama's been waiting for this day.
Hey, Tony, thanks. I'll be in touch.
Well, excuse me. Ow, my heart!
Yep.
It's Sal. Listen, the Forellis had Mayor Hole in their pocket, but we're gonna take control of City Hall. I know a big-shot businessman who'd do anything to get into office. He's a complete asshole, so he's qualified for the position. I told him you'd make sure he wins the election. For us.
Tony Cipriani here.
Tony, it's your ma. I just heard you've been made. I never doubted you for a second, son. And seeing as how you've finally proven yourself, I'm calling off that contract I put on you. Let's just put it behind us. After all, I only did it with your best interest at heart. What kind of a son makes his ma go to such lengths? See you soon, son. Don't forget about your old ma.
Election fee.
Shit, that was my aorta. Don't make me lose my shit, pal. What do you think of that? You're messing with a real gangster now.
Blame my mother. Back, lock her up.
Antonio, how wonderful to see you!
What's going on?
We're having a party, dear boy, a party. Yes, a morgue party. The first of the season!
Whoa, what the fuck you talking about? A morgue party?
We're gonna have quite a night tonight. But first, we need to go and pick up the guests. Come, before our guests get bored to death. No pun intended. 'Cause they're dead, you know. Our guest of honor is taking a little trip to the pathology labs. Let's not keep him waiting.
What's your problem, pal?
What seems to be the problem?
We're all gonna be rich at .com.
I don't care what other people think. I wish I had a nail file.
Then it's off to Vice City.
It's so warm and cozy. You'll never want to leave the womb, the Maibatsu womb. You may be married, but you're still a man. Honestly.
It's the Maibatsu womb.
The Plug Singers present
Once a month my blood comes on. Once a month my mood goes down. I don't feel fresh, I start to doubt the blood.
You want a license too?
Hey, get off the streets, get online.
Big signs we build. You will see an elephant make love.
I got all the time in the world.
You gotta stop sometime.
Let me go, right now.